Greetings to everyone. Hope everyone is in pink of their health. This side Suyash Tripathi. I'm a second year student pursuing BLLB honors from MIT Law School, Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh, and currently I am working as a legal intern with LEXIS and Company. So today we are going to discuss the Article 226 of the Indian Constitution. So the Article 226 of the Indian Constitution is enshrined in the Part 5th of the Indian Constitution, and it gives or makes the provision related to the High Court power. It empowers the High Court to issue the writs, directions, orders, and in the nature of habeas corpus, mandamus, certiorari, quo warranto, and prohibition. So, as we have seen that Article 32 of the Indian Constitution empowers the Supreme Court with these to issue these writs or orders. The same provision applies with the in the case of Article 226, but here the difference is that the power has been granted to the High Courts instead of Supreme Courts. So Article 226 1 clause 1 says every High Court within the territory of India has the power to issue orders, directions, and writs to any individual authority, including the government, for the enforcement of fundamental rights as well as the other legal rights under its own jurisdiction. So it empowers the High Court to issue these writs, directions, or orders for the enforcement of fundamental rights or any other legal rights. So, and Article 226 clause 2 says confers the powers to the High Court to issue orders, direction, and writs outside their own local jurisdiction in the cases where the causes of action lies wholly or in part within their local jurisdiction. So it empowers the High Court to issue the orders, writs even beyond the legal jurisdiction or outside the legal own local jurisdiction. Article 226 clause 3 states when an interim order has been passed. What is the interim order? Interim order means a type of temporary order, temporary decree by the court. So when an interim order has been passed under Article 226 by the way of injunction. So injunction, what is the meaning of injunction? Injunction has been defined in the Specific Relief Act 2 that injunction means the temporary stay or to make a person to do or to omit certain act for a period of time. The injunction may be temporary or permanent. So Article 226 clause C states when an interim order has been passed under Article 2 by way of injunction or stay against the respondent without first providing the copy of the petition and evidential document to the respondent, second giving an opportunity of being heard. Then if the respondent moves to the High Court to cancel the interim order and provides a copy of such petition to the petitioner, then the High Court shall decide the application within a period of 2 weeks of receiving such application or within the period of 2 weeks from the date of which the other party received such application, whichever is later. So if the interim order has been passed for and the injunction or the stay has been granted without giving any reason or providing the copy of the petition as a evidential document to the respondent, or without giving an opportunity of being heard, then the petitioner may move to the court for the cancellation of such interim order. So as per Article 226 clause 4, the power conferred to the High Court under Article 226 is not in derogation to the powers conferred to the Supreme Court under Article 32 clause 2. So it nowhere it just says that the powers granted by the Constitution to the Supreme Court does nowhere hinders the power granted to the Supreme Court under clause 2 of Article 32. So scope of Article 226. So as in there was a case known as Bandhua Mukti Morcha versus Union of India. So the scope of Article 226 is much wider than the Article 32 as it confers the power to High Court to issue orders, directions, and writs not only for enforcement of fundamental rights but also for the enforcement of legal rights. So in this way the scope of Article 226 is much wider than Article 32 of Indian Constitution, which are confined to the disadvantage by way of certain statutes are as important as fundamental rights. So if you like this video, do comment in the comment box, press the like button and press the bell icon to get the further updates, and click on the subscription button. Thank you.